Today I'm going to attempt to replace my gear shift knob in 2016 Chevy Colorado. So I have my new one, which is here. See the parts number in the description. Now there's nothing wrong with this one other than the fact that it's got about 51,000 miles on it, and a lot of hand sanitizer over the years has taken the alcohol has taken the top off. So what you're gonna need, a little pry tool, and find you a spot over here on the side, and it should release. The clips okay, there's one. Okay. Now then, up under here, you don't want to just rip this off. There's a wired connector that you have to unplug. Alright, got that unplugged. Now then, you just want to, with a little force, you can pull that off. Now with your new one, you take your new one, there's your wired connector. It'll go right down here. Alright, you hear the connector snap into place. Now then, line your tabs back up. Push this down. And there you have it. A simple install on a 2016 Chevy Colorado. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.